Building easily searchable historical records, as well as advanced AI tools to repair, enhance, colorize, and even animate historical photos. Getting started with MyHeritage is pretty simple. You just start with your name and birth date, and if you can, your parents' names and birth dates, and it automatically starts scouring these records to find matches. Thanks to their instant discovery tool, I was linked with my distant relative Blaine Fergestrom. Crazy story about that. My distant relative, who I've never been in contact before, he actually has a website that he built himself that has been tracking our lineage, the Fergestrom family lineage, all the way back to like the 40s. Well, MyHeritage found that website, and I was able to download the file, add all of the research he's already put into my MyHeritage family tree. It added 40 members to my family that I didn't